How to apply for a personal loan through Discover Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need quick funds, well here is how to apply for a personal loan through Discover Bank Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search results, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in, from the top menu, you just have to click loans and then select personal loan. And there you can just click on apply now and fill in details like loan amount, purpose, and income information. And with that, you just have to review the terms, interest rates, and monthly payments estimates before submitting. And with that, you need to provide any required documents to verify your identity and financial details. And once submitted, Discover will review your application and display your loan decision. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a personal loan through Discover Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.